All right, I'm gonna be broke. I'm really excited, and I want to film another unboxing video. People really liked the AirPods unboxing, so I decided just to max out my credit card this month, and we gotta go for a bit of a drive and pick up a new Apple product. Ready for an adventure. Walking on. Hey yo, take a Hey yo, take
Sound waves reaching the microphone are changed into impulses of electric current.
Hey yo, take Hey yo, take
Sound waves reaching the microphone
Walking. Hey yo, take Hey yo, take Hey yo, walking on. Hey yo, take Hey yo, take
Sound waves reaching the microphone are changed into impulses of electric current.
Hey yo, take Hey yo, take
Sound waves reaching the microphone
Walking. Hey yo, take Hey yo, take Hey yo, take on a ride, take Okay, so this is a little bit off the rails from being in the Apple store in Coquitlam Center, but I wanted to come out here and do this video out in the forest because I feel like this product belongs outdoors, and all the other videos I've seen of people unboxing it are just in a big well-lit studio. So I found a place and I hiked out, and because I'm out of shape, I'm out of breath from hiking uphill, but here we are. So let's take a look at what we got. I forgot a tripod, so I'm really sorry about the quality or shakiness of this unboxing, but here we go. So here it is. We got the Apple Watch Ultra, and I got the white ocean band. I'd go in the ocean with it today, but it's probably pretty cold, so I'm out here in the forest. So typical Apple Watch box packaging, but it's just square. I'm gonna be careful and not to ruin this. I got the model with the ocean band. We have this really nice packaging of these waves inside, and if you get the trail version, it'll be more of like a mountain thing. So here we got a booklet, the watch itself. Wow. I'm not gonna open this here because it's just gonna make a mess. Wow, beautiful. Set that there. Nice. Let me get this set up. The band fits really nice. And there's that orange action button there. Wow. It is beautiful out here, and I wish I had a bike to ride these trails, but I'll hike down in a little bit. But yeah, so I raised the watch up here. The UV index, I think that's to start a timer, and then my rings. I haven't worn a watch all day, an Apple Watch, so not much on there. Got a weather widget in there, and then some other stuff I still got to figure out. But yeah, I'll have to give you more of an update on this once I've had it for a bit. I'm gonna really test it out for the 2 weeks before the return date. Maybe this will help me get out more and do some hiking so I can set waypoints and use my siren if I get lost. All right, thanks for watching. Okay, it's killing me. I need to try this. Okay, that's enough.